Dear teachers, you can see your classes here. This is a class name, and some of you have initially have some other details here. You can rename and you can give your preferred name in this way. Okay, you can go to tools. Here you have preferences. In preferences you can go to section. Here you can select section number. Earlier by default it may be in section period day. Select this option, section number, and here choose the name used to distinguish sections in the class list. Select here, instead of course name, you can select your custom display name. That means whatever the name you give, that will appear as a name of that section. Okay, just you can keep here. This is the sort order. This is up to you. You can sort this in period or section number or course name, whatever you like. Okay, just here when you select, click OK, and you can see the sections are sorted. This is my section 10A, 10B, and 11A, 11B, and AS, that is 12. Okay, now let me tell you how to customize this class name. Select the class and go to the class content. Here this name is a section number given in the system, and here you can give your own name for your identification. I mentioned here this is the section 10A ICT class. You can rename whatever you like. Then you can see the same. When you finish saving, it will appear here. Okay, let me show you, and I am calling this as, instead of ICT class, I want to call it as Information and Technology class. Now you can see the change immediately here. So here, save it. Now you can see the section name is changed. Okay, like this you have to change for every section. So this is up to you. Whatever the name you give here, that is going to appear here. This is for your easy understanding. Okay, so that is the way you can rename, you can customize. So this name is not that much important for you, and it is not related to any administration purpose. This is only for your purpose. So make sure that only this name is customized by you. Okay, so like that you can enjoy your power schooling sectioning. Okay, I am renaming it back to my class, then it became this name. So now your section name will appear here. You can check here all your classes instead of. So this makes us easy to understand which class and which period and what subject. So I try to arrange everything like this. This may help you to understand and organize your lessons. Okay, better use it in a systematic order so that it can help you and also to the school for your benefit. Thank you.